Hi, my name is Sahil and this is my project.
My name is Sahil and today I will show you about my project, Solar Energy. The problem is, humans are harming the environment and the atmosphere day by day. One main part of the planet that's being harmed is the atmosphere. The atmosphere is slowly deteriorating as the Earth is getting warmer and warmer. The main cause of this problem is that humans and corporations are releasing high amounts of CO2 into the air each day. Source OurWorldInData.org conducted a research that said in 2016, the average person releases 60.6 tons of CO2 in a year. There are three main problems that cause air pollution. Number one, the CO2 released into the air creates holes and gaps inside the troposphere layer. Number two, the ice caps are melting due to the heat of the carbon dioxide. These ice caps melt into the water, and the water levels continue to rise and flood many places. Number three, if the ice caps can't melt some of the sun's heat, can't reflect some of the sun's heat back into space, then temperatures all over the world will rise. That's known as global warming. Why should we care? This problem is very important to humans because if we can't solve this problem soon enough, then we might not have a world to live in. In the last slide, I talked about water levels rising and temperatures rising. If this problem is not solved soon, then coastal countries such as Sri Lanka, Mumbai, Australia are subjected to high flooding and possible submerging. This is all due to the ice caps melting. Another reason humans should care is because if this problem is not solved, temperatures all over the world will increase until it's too hot for humans to sustain life. Some constraints that could possibly limit solutions to stopping air pollution are money, time, energy. These constraints limit our solutions because our solutions must be in a really reasonable budget. The solution needs to be planned and created in a short amount of time. It will require a lot of energy and people to conduct the solution. My method takes sun waves and turns it into an energy source in this diagram below. As well, the energy produced from the waves is used to suck up high amounts of polluted air, which is converted back into a source of energy. How well the solution works. The solution solves the problem decently as it can make all air pollution go away on its own. Also, it requires around 25,000 per building. It'll take a lot of time to build a prototype, and we must continue exploring and expanding the model before we come up with new designs and improvements. There are multiple benefits to the solution. Here are three benefits that the solution will start the process to the solution of air pollution. It won't cost very much to install. It can be installed in tons of places around the world. It may take some time, but it's a good, strong working prototype that'll be very durable and last a long time. Number three, it'll require no energy as it's creating all the energy by itself, as in the solar panel shown in the diagram. Some people might say that the solution has two major disadvantages. It'll take too long, and by the time the prototype's made, there'll be more and faster solution. Number two, it will not remove enough air pollution to make an impact. These are great disadvantages. Response. Even though it might be true that it'll take some time to make this product, I also explained we will continue innovating and changing the design to fit current standards. The engines in this machine should be enough to make a good impact and is not quite expensive, therefore meaning it can be placed in a lot of places. This could be a very good impact to stop air pollution. So, will you take the first step to stopping air pollution and saving humanity?
That was my project. Thank you very much.